In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page in Webflow, a process that's simple yet incredibly useful for saving time and maintaining consistency in your web projects. If you're working on a project where you need multiple pages with similar structures or want to preserve the design layout while experimenting with different content, duplicating a page can be your best bet. Let's dive right into it. First things first, we need to open the Pages panel. You can find this by clicking the Pages icon located on the left sidebar of the Webflow Designer. This panel allows you to view all the pages within your project, giving you control over each page's settings and content. Once the Pages panel is open, scroll through the list to find the page you wish to duplicate. As you hover over the page name, you'll notice a settings gear icon appear next to it. Go ahead and click this gear icon. This action will open the settings panel for that specific page, giving you access to various configuration options. Within the settings panel, look for the duplicate icon. It's represented by two overlapping squares and is conveniently located at the top. Clicking this icon is the next step in our process and quite straightforward. After clicking it, you'll need to confirm your decision to duplicate the page by clicking the Create button. This is essentially asking Webflow to make an exact copy of the page you've selected. Once you've confirmed, Webflow will immediately create a duplicate of your chosen page. The new page will automatically be named similarly to the original, with copy appended to the end, like page name copy. This default naming helps you easily identify which is the duplicate version at a glance. The next crucial step is to make this new page your own by customizing its name and URL. Click on the new page to open its settings, where you should give it a relevant name. This will help you quickly find it in your pages list and keep your project organized. Moreover, don't forget to update the URL slug of the new page. The URL slug is the end part of the URL, and it's important to make sure it's clean and SEO friendly. This not only helps with search engine optimization, but also ensures that the URLs remain clear and easy for users to understand. With your new page setup, you can now edit its content to suit your needs without affecting the original page. This is particularly handy if you are trying to maintain a consistent look across your site while introducing new elements or experimenting with layout changes. And there you have it. Duplicating a page in Webflow can streamline your design process, ensure consistency, and give you the flexibility to innovate. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.